Hey guys, I'm MLG Master 5. Welcome to my 100 subscriber special. So, I made some paddles for the inflatable boat, and this video is about me going to Bunnings, getting the materials, and finally making the paddles. Hey guys, we're at Bunnings warehouse, and we're gonna get supplies. Alright guys, look what we just found. We just found the hats. Alright, we're looking at Bunnings, all the bolts and stuff. We need to get a rake. We need to get a rake and some other things. Alright, we're just looking for screwdrivers. Yeah, screwdrivers. And I'm looking for something like a stick something, and then they're gonna make a paddle. Yeah. Hey guys, we found the screwdrivers. Alright. This is the trolley so far. Alright, we just came back from Bunnings and we got all this. Yeah, it's good. This is pretty good. This is going to make some good videos in the future. What is up guys? We are at another Bunnings because the other Bunnings didn't have what we needed. But hopefully this one does. Alright, see you inside. Alright, these look promising. Like something like this. Put a notch in that. Yeah. Scrap what I said before. I just found the perfect thing. I'm gonna buy 2 of these shovels. With these hand trowels. And then I'm gonna cable tie and drill them to broom handles. Alright guys, we have the supplies. And a bit of extra stuff. Let's get to building. Alright guys, we just finished from Bunnings. Now we're going to head back home. So this next bit contains a lot of building, so I'm just going to fast forward it. So I'm unlocking my toolbox to get all my tools out. Alright, I'm measuring the broom handle to get the measurement precisely on 670 millimeters. Alright, I'm putting F clamps onto the garden bed so I can safely saw the wood without it moving around. Alright, I'm now going to be sawing the broom handle in half, so exactly each half is 670 long. Make sure once you're done with the saw, you put it away. Alright, now we're going to be cable tying the trowels to the broom handles so when I drill into them, nothing moves. Okay, it looks like the first one is done, and now we're going to be moving on to the second one. Gotta cut the little dangly bits off, and make sure you don't cut yourself with a knife. I decided it was better to take the trowels off the sticks and to cut the stickers off from the broom handles and then reapply the trowels to the stick with cable ties. Okay, I'm preparing the drill to drill into the oars to really hold it together. Okay, and now I'm going to be drilling into the oars. There's a trick with this. Because the drill only has one setting, on or off, what you gotta do is you gotta start it, put it in place, and then take your finger off the trigger and then let the drill guide itself into the right spot, and then start again, because it makes a divot, and then you drill all the way and it won't make all that scattering or scratched look when you're trying to drill. Alright, I've got the shifter spanner multi-tool out, and I'm attempting to put the bolts into the back of the oars because I have drilled all the holes. These bolts will hold it in place. So the multi-tool I got wasn't really working, so now I'm putting a 10mm bolt head onto this drill, and I'm really going to make this process really go fast now. You see that? I'm drilling into it and then it twitches, like twitches a bit. Yeah, that's because the amount of torque the drill has, but I really got it done fast, didn't I? Okay, now I am attaching a washer and a bolt at the other side of the oars to really hold that in place. Okay, in that little package are a pack of 12 M6 dome nuts. I'm going to put them at the end of the bolts, so not so sharp and they look good. Alright, I am now showing you the finished product. It looks good. Homemade, but it really looks good. Alright, you saw me making these in the video. It was sped up, but here is a closer look. I'll describe each bit. We have a washer here. These are M6 bolts with M6 washers. We have another M6 washer, a M6 bolt, and 3 M6 dome nuts on the tops of these, hand tightened with a spanner so they're not pointing at the end. These cable ties are sort of decorative, but they were installed to keep the trowel from moving away while I was drilling in. I also used a 5.5mm drill bit and then a 6mm drill bit to get the precise M6 mold. Thanks guys for watching.